What is up, guys and girls? Welcome back to another video. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can get more content on these beautiful vehicles that we're working on. This video is going to pertain to the fuel system on the GSX. In the last video you saw, I powder coated the valve cover. That is back off right now because we're going to be doing cams and head studs. That is not this video though, that will be the next video. For this video, like I said, it's fuel system. So as you can see, I've already pulled off all the fuel rail and the injectors and everything out already. The reason for pulling the fuel rail all the way out is because I'm going to be powder coating it gloss black, so that would be gloss black. Probably see that in the second half of this video, so if you're interested in seeing that, make sure you keep on watching. We are also adding in an AEM adjustable fuel pressure regulator. That is here. Get it to focus. Yeah, that's there. Nice fuel pressure regulator. Those R-10 AN fittings on there. And then we're going to be running 1220 FIC injectors on here. Kyle is actually in the car right now, in the back seat, working on the fuel hanger. If you've had a DSM, you already know. If you haven't, I'm about to tell you. The fuel lines that go to this pump that's located underneath the back seat pretty much weld themselves together over time. So like this one probably hasn't been touched in 30 years. Not literally, because I'm sure they've had to replace the pump at some point. But the line was definitely seized together. So we spent probably 45 minutes, maybe an hour, getting that line unseized. Using PV blaster, hammers, a couple different kinds of wrenches. But we got it, and he's taking it out now. He's getting that line back off, which is also a pain in the butt because it's the hose end that turns, so the hose is literally just binding itself up underneath there. So when he gets that all the way out, we have this fuel pump hanger over here that is from the black car that has a Walboro 255 pump already installed. So we're literally going to take that hanger out with the stock pump, pull it out, throw it to the side, keep it as a spare for later, whatever, and just throw this one in because it's already built and ready to go. So that's going to be it for this segment of this video. I am going to put the camera down. We're going to bust out some work here, and I will pick it back up when we are a little bit farther along. Alright guys, about 10 minutes past. We're about to pull the pump out. So we got that ring off. And then of course there's the gasket. And you want to watch when you're pulling it out that you don't hit the, I'm going to call it a dinghy. It's what tells you your fuel level. Yeah. So there it is. Stock pump, stock hanger is out. So now, bring this around this way. Set that there. Grab this one. We're going to throw this one in with our big boy pumper on there.
Fish out that one line way down in there.
Yeah. I think I already told you guys, but that's a walboro 255 that's going in. Should give us exactly what we're looking for. If it doesn't, I'll upgrade it, but I'm thinking it'll make it. So we're going to get this all put back together, and that's when I'll pick the camera back up. Alright, we just finished the fuel system on the GSX. So real quick, we're going to go inside the car to the top of the fuel pump. Again, that was 255 walboro pump we put in there. We now have an AN fitting coming off here, goes underneath the car, connects down there. So that's all set to go. Everything's hooked up with the exception of the wiring harness, and that is because we're going to be doing the hardwired kit here shortly. I'm not doing it today, won't be in this video, but it will be coming. And then up front here, if you watch us on any other social media platforms, you would have already seen I powder coated the fuel rail. So that is gloss black back there. Have the 1220cc fuel injector clinic injectors in there. We are hooked up on both sides. On this side we got another AN fitting. These are -6 AN fittings in case you were wondering. So that one comes off the rail there, comes up to the adjustable fuel pressure regulator, which is also all hooked up. So technically fuel system is finished with the exception of that hardwire kit, which we don't really need, but with the power I'm planning on trying to make out of this with 255, we need it because we need 12 volts all the time to that pump. Anyway, with that said, we are 24 miles from our braking period on the clutch on the Evo here. She's running great. We've had no issues. Everything's been perfect. So with that said, next week, Sunday. What's Sunday's date? The 31st? Doesn't matter. You're going to watch this on Saturday. Tomorrow, after you watch this video, tomorrow, Sunday, we will be at Import Face-Off in Hebron, Ohio. It's just outside Columbus. So if you're from Ohio, you're going to come check us out. We're going to be racing the Evo. May or may not put it in the show depending on how we feel. Okay, yeah, so December 31st. So yeah, we will be in Hebron at IFO on Sunday the 31st. Come on out, check out the show, check us out, see what we're about, and check out the car. This car obviously not gonna make it because issues. But anyway, hopefully it will be out sometime this year. You guys can check this one out too. Anyway, we did decide to do like a legit weekly video time. So every Saturday, 10 a.m., we'll have a new video up for you guys. Even if it's some bull crap content, we will have a video up for you. It might not be anything or it might be something, but there will be a video. So if you like watching the videos like as soon as they come out, whatever, 10 a.m. Saturday mornings, check us out. I've been doing the premieres. With the premieres you can do like live chat, stuff like that. If I'm not at work, I'll be on there live chat with anybody that wants to. But that's all for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope I didn't talk too much. Probably did. But lots of progress happening on the GSX. If you like our content, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe. Can't say it enough. Trying to get more subscribers going. Lots more content coming on this one. Lots more coming on the Evo. We're going to have a couple projects in between the two as well. So keep that in mind. And we'll see you in the next one. Hopefully we see you at Import Face Off. Have a good weekend.